Hey guys, making this video as a way to help you walk through how to set up a like assignment collection thing for the daily learning logs. Yeah, because that's just what the cool cats are doing nowadays, making videos and having good times. So you want to get into your Google Classroom first off. You can see I changed my Google Classroom name. I didn't like the name that Learn for Life gave the first one, so I changed it. It's not going to impact anything with like submitting documents to Learn for Life and all that jazz, but this makes me feel better about myself, I suppose. And then I put in a nice little background because, again, this is where I get my self-worth, is by going above and beyond, making things that don't really change life, I guess, all that much. Anyway, well, just had an esoteric moment there. Hey, let's go ahead and make an assignment. So this is not new, folks. We're going to classwork. We're going to create. Oh, you can see I already made my assignment, but we're going to go ahead and walk through how to do this. Click Create Assignment. Title. I called mine Daily Learning Logs DLLs. But then I also put this in front of it. Complete this first. As to provide a little encouragement for folks to complete this first. And then I already wrote out my my instructions, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. And I'll go ahead and make sure that this particular verbiage is copied and pasted into the email I send you all out. Okay, but it kind of explains, like, hey, watch the video that you're going to attach. And the video link will be in the email as well. Blah, 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 blah. All right, let's get to adding. So we're going to add from our Google Drive that. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. We want to go to maybe shared drives, is it? No, it's not shared drives. My drives. Okay. All right, so what I ended up doing is in the shared teacher drive that Learn for Life gave us, I copied the daily learning logs, the new ones that they made that are in Google Sheets. I just individually copied those into a folder on in my Google Drive. And if you want some help with that, I'd be happy to help you. Just let me know. But if you feel comfortable getting those onto your own drive, then you can just, add them this way. I don't know if it actually does, if the way that you click on them matters with the way that they line up. I kind of feel like the first one you click on is the first one that adds in the line of descending attachments. So I click on, this is the first one. I hold Control, and then I click each of the next ones. And then I click Add, and you see, boom, they come down here, and they're all in descending order. So I don't know if it's because of how I selected them or not, but I'm going to keep doing it that way. All right, so we need to come over here. We need to click on this box over here, make a copy for each student. This is important. Make a copy for each student. Make sure that you do that, because if you don't, it can become problematic. We're also going to change no points. I'm going to put the due date on here. We're going to put it on. Come on, where is it? Okay, maybe I have to go to July. I have to click over to July. I want it on July 3rd. I want a due date on there for them when I'm trying to impress the importance in their minds of turning this in on time. And then I've already made a topic called student logs. If you want to make one, you can create topic student logs. It's nice. It's nice. Okay, so next we're going to add a YouTube video. Now, you're going to go from the email I sent you. You are going to go there and click on the link that I gave you. And you're going to put that into this part right here. I am getting the link from my website or my YouTube page. I copy that, I put it in there, hit the search button, boom, there it is. How to create Google Classroom assignments for DLL. That is not what I wanted. Delete that garbage. Get out of there. That's not what I want. That's the wrong video. I could talk. You know what? I could go back and just like make a new one, make a whole new video here, but I'm just too lazy to edit this part out. So you guys can see that sometimes everything doesn't work out perfectly. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows that already. Okay, completing daily learning logs, DLLs. This is the video that I made that walks parents through, parents and students, but mostly parents, walks them through how to complete each of the daily learning logs. You're going to want to add that at the bottom here. And then, you know, when it says, please watch the attached video for directions, this is the attached video with directions. So very good. If you want to just go ahead and assign that right now, boom, assign it. And then your students will get emails in their folder saying, hey, you got a new thing. But what student is checking their email right now? Come on, let's get serious. I like to schedule things and just drop them all Monday morning at 8 a.m. And it's just kind of like, boom, here is your life for the next week. I've already got mine scheduled, so I'm not actually going to schedule it. But you could do that. And then it is ready for your folks to start submitting stuff. I'm going to cancel this out. All right, and then, and I'll show you guys the one that I've already made. So this is the one that I've already made. I'm going to click on View Assignment, and then, as I'm sure you all have seen before, this is where you will see the stuff that your students submit. Obviously, none of mine have submitted. Oh, well, no, I did get somebody who turned one in. This is what I was using my son's email and Google stuff to show. To walk through the whole thing. Okay, so I must have erased the name and stuff in it, but see, these when he submitted it, these are the ones that he submitted, and these will be saved onto my Google Drive, and then I have to go searching for them, and I'm never really sure where Google decides to create stuff. And then I can take these and then move them over to Tristan's. That explains so much. Oh, no, never mind. Roddy's not there. I deleted him. I unenrolled him from my classroom, so it's funny. It shows it right there, but then when I click on him, it doesn't show me his stuff. All right, well, whatever. Learning new stuff all over the place. That is it, gang. Do that, and then, you know, support your parents, kiddos, as needed. But hopefully this will help you. So there you go. 8 minutes of your life you can't get back. Bye.